A Dave verification failure usually happens because the app can't confirm your identity, verify your personal information, or successfully connect to your bank account. Fixing the specific verification step that's failing is usually faster than repeatedly submitting the same information. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Dave verification fails and the steps that typically resolve the problem. Start by identifying where the verification stops. If Dave fails during identity verification, compare the name, date of birth, phone number, and address you entered with your official documents. Even a small mismatch, such as a missing middle initial or an outdated address, can prevent the verification process from completing. If the issue happens while linking your bank account, make sure you're connecting a supported checking account that you actively use. Double-check your online banking credentials and complete any security prompts your bank requires. If your bank connection fails, remove the account, restart the app, and try linking it again. Next, check your device and the app itself. Open your App Store and install the latest version of Dave. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause verification or login problems after new security updates are released. Also, confirm that your internet connection is stable. If you're using public Wi-Fi, switch to your mobile data or a trusted home network and try again. Network interruptions can prevent verification requests from reaching Dave's servers. Now clear potential technical issues. Close the Dave app completely and reopen it. If you're using Android, clear the app cache from your device settings. If you're using an iPhone, restarting the device can refresh temporary system processes that may interfere with the app. If you've already submitted identity documents, avoid uploading them repeatedly unless the app asks you to. Multiple submissions don't usually speed up the review process and may create additional delays while the system processes your request. If nothing changes, check whether Dave is experiencing a temporary service issue. A system outage or maintenance period can delay verification, even when your information is correct. Waiting a while before trying again is often more effective than making repeated attempts. If your account still won't verify after you've confirmed your information, updated the app, and retried the process, contact Dave support through the help section inside the app. They can review your account and identify the exact verification step that's preventing approval. To recap, verify that all of your personal information matches your official records, reconnect your supported bank account if necessary, update the app, and check for temporary technical issues before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix your Dave verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and app tutorials.